What's up, guys? Book 9, lines 171 to 180. We'll start with our subject pronoun. Here, egon. That for us used to be ego. In Homer, you can add that new, and yet egon. Here's a participle that goes with that pronoun. So, both nominative. And the main verb at the end. Take a look very closely. We've got this a pun. That would be an example of an augment combined with a diphthong. For us in attic, this would have been spelled like this, a pun, with a circumflex to show the contraction. Okay, now moving on. The verb eapon is first person singular. And we know that because this ending, on, is first person singular. We also identified earlier that this is the first person pronoun ego, meaning I. So what did I do? I, having set up something, eapon, I spoke. Now let's learn a little bit more about what I'm doing. So I, having set up this agorain, remember our discussion about the Greeks, how they love to have assemblies, they love to get together. That would be this word right here, agorain. So setting up an assembly, if you would, I spoke, eapon, meta, pasin, with all of them. My question is, who's the all of them? And it's going to refer to, of course, the heteroi, right here, his comrades. So what does he say to them? Loy, this is a vocative. I'm going to use orange for vocative today. So the rest of you, alloy, and here's a command form, mimnet. Okay, what's missing there would be the letter epsilon for mimnete. All of you remain now. O, trusty companions. Pink is dative. O my trusty companions. Autar ego, but ego. I. There's your subject pronoun again. You'll notice it's the same subject pronoun that we had here, because you know Odysseus is speaking to his comrades. But I, pink is dative, with a ship, my ship, and with my comrades. So this whole thing is a dative phrase, dative of, we're going to call this accompaniment. But I, with my ship and my comrades. And what's happening here? Elthone, okay, participle, going along with ego. We know that elthone is from the verb erkomai, which means to come or to go. And we know that erkomai does not look like elthone in its stem, so elthone must be a different tense than present. And if you think of your principal parts, you know that erchomai, Amy, aelthon looks a lot closer to elthone, so it's going to be aorist. So I, having gone, or I in going there, pere somai. This is to make a trial of something, or to test somebody. And you'll see it's down here, from perao. The sigma here tells me it's future, perao, right? Pere somai. So what will I do? I will make a test of. In Greek, when you test someone who's in the genitive case. Right? And you will make a test of tone, andron, of these men. What follows then is going to be, the questions that he wants to know. I'll make a test of these men, namely, 1, hoi tenes estin, 2, down to here, down to philexenoi, and 3, kai sphin naos esti, the udes. Those are the 3 things that Odysseus is wanting to know right now about the people he's about to encounter. So he says, I with my ship and my men, I am going to go make a test of these people.